Hello student, good morning to all of you. Welcome to online class. Student, in the last video we have discussed about the dust particles, balance of oxygen in the air and increase of carbon dioxide in the air. Okay na? Means so region means why the percentage of CO2 increase in the air. After that student, the next point is the atmosphere. You know the atmosphere? Atmosphere is a blanket of the air that envelop the earth is called atmosphere. Means it cover our earth by one layer. It known as the atmosphere. What is the importance? Such blanket save our body, save the living things from the harmful radiation. Because you know student, our sun release harmful radiation. Clear? So when such radiation, if directly it reach on our earth, then it not possible to survive on earth. Everything become die. Clear? And our sun, it release temperature also. So such temperature, if it reach directly on earth, then the temperature of the earth increases. Clear? So such atmosphere, it safe from the radiation, safe from the temperature. Clear? So see student, such atmosphere, you know their thickness 1500 kilometer. Means envelope of 1500 kilometer who cover the total earth. Clear? And in the 1500 kilometer, about the 500 kilometer will exist. In the from here to here 500 kilometer will exist. Because after that some different part is there, but from earth to 15 kilometer height, about the 90% of living beings survive. Clear? Only 15 kilometer, total thickness 1500 kilometer, but the mostly living beings survive within 15 kilometers, 90%. All the animals, birds, everything, it survive in the 15 kilometers, about 90%. Got it? So these are the atmosphere. After that, importance of the atmosphere. What is this? So student, I told air is a very important part of our life. And air is a mixture of many gases like nitrogen, carbon dioxide, oxygen, dust particles, everything. So all the things we needed. It is very important. So student, the atmosphere play an important role in determining weather conditions such as wind and storm. Okay? How wind blow? By the air. How the storm? Due to the air. Contain water vapor which causes rain and thus maintain the water cycle on the earth. Everything like our water cycle. How it work? See, water cycle. See friend, is the water body is here. Sun is here. Sun, light absorbed by the water. See, is the plant. See friend, in the daytime our water bodies like ocean, sea, ponds, river, it take light from the atmosphere. Such light also absorbed by the plant, and after that plant also release water vapor, and after absorbing the temperature, water also change the vapor form. Clear? And it reach to the where? Atmosphere and condense. Got it? After that, when it condense, when the percentage of water vapor increases more, then it form on earth in the form of rain. Clear? So how it possible? Due to the atmosphere. Because if our atmosphere not contain the water vapor, it is possible to make the rain? No. Clear? So next thing, the atmosphere act as a screen and block out the harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun. Regulate the earth temperature by reducing the heating effect of solar radiation during the daytime and preventing the escape of the earth her into space during the night. Clear? Students, see, such atmosphere is block the harmful radiation. I told the sun release many type of harmful radiation. If it directly touch in our body, then everyone die. And you know, it's a very harmful radiation. By such radiation, we get cancer. You know, it's a very dangerous problem. So, if it is direct contact to our bodies. So, first it protects our body from the harmful radiation. Okay. And second things, you know, some temperature is a very high temperature. So, such temperature, if it directly reach to our earth, is also very big problem. You can not able to survive. So it make the earth cool. Clear? After that, the atmosphere protect the earth against meteors. You understand? In our atmosphere, in the many meteors there, and you know, in the sometimes the size is very big. Like our one city or two cities. So think, if such meteors enter into our atmosphere, if fall on our atmosphere, then you know the condition. Everyone will die. So, when it enter in the atmosphere, so our atmosphere contains the water vapor, it contains air, dust particle. So it make a resistance. You know, resistance means it oppose the speed of the meteors, and the result it burn in the atmosphere or break in the atmosphere. Otherwise, if it directly enter in the atmosphere of our earth, then we will die. Clear? Next one, air act as the medium through which sound travel. You understand how the sound travel? What is the medium? Air. You understand? For sound they need medium, solid, liquid or gas. And you understand what is the speed of sound in the solid? In the solid, more sound. Liquid, less than solid, and gas, less than solid and liquid. Clear? So what is the medium of sound? Air. If air is not here, we are not able to listen the other people's voice. Clear? That's the stand in the vacuum. If you cross the atmosphere, then upside we are not able to listen any sound. Clear? If there was no air, we could not be able to hear any sound. Next, air help bird and insect fly. You understand? In the air, many birds, many insects fly. How? By the air. If air is not there, it is not possible to fly. Air help plant in the pollination of the seed dispersal of seeds. You understand? Seed dispersal. How the pollination? Pollination process is the process by which the pollen grain of any plant it transfers from one place to the another place. There are the many medium, water, animal. So air also one medium. Through air, the pollen grain, the male grain, it transfers to the female by the wind. Clear? Human beings have been able to use the force of wind to work windmill and move soil boat. You understand windmill? Do you see in the some cities? Do you see? Here is the one tower is there, and it contains one fan, high blade. Did you see? It rotate. Yes or no? Here is the windmill. Question is, why is the government makes such fan? To give the air to the birds? No. By such windmill, we produce electricity. How? You know, when wind blow, when wind blow, then it strike on the blade, and after that it rotates. Clear? And when it rotates, it produce electricity. How? Because see, here is the turbine. Here is the turbine, and what is the turbine? Turbine convert mechanical energy into the electrical energy. Got it? So by such process we get So aeroplane can fly because of the presence of air. Air is filled in the rubber or tires of vehicles for easy movement. You know how our aeroplane and helicopter fly? How? By the air. If no air, it possible to fly? No. And see in our vehicles, our tire, it contain air. When we fill the air, we easily move. Suppose that your bike, if no air, it possible to move? No, not possible to move. Clear, friend? So these are some importance of the atmosphere. After that, some other process that we use here. So student, rusting. You know what rusting? Rusting is the process in which when iron react with the air and moisture or hydrated iron is known as the rust. You know student, suppose if you take any iron piece and keep outside. After 1 month, 2 months, you see that our iron, it coated by a brown particles. You know what is this? This is the rust. As such process known as the rusting. So see, when iron react with the oxygen means air in the presence of moisture. And you know student, where moisture present? Where? In the form of water vapor. Clear? So when iron react with oxygen in the presence of moisture, it forms rust. And their name, you know, hydrated iron oxide. Okay, friend. So by rusting is the process by which iron react with the oxygen and moisture and form rust. And friend, this is the permanent. If one time iron change into the rust, it not possible to make again iron. That's why every year, mostly iron damaged by the rusting. Clear? So during the rusting of iron, the iron metal combined with oxygen in the air in the presence of water to form hydrated iron oxide. With water, this hydrated iron oxide is called rust. Clear? So student, if you want rusting, then we need something. What? We need presence of air. Without air, rusting not possible. Air means oxygen. And second, presence of water vapor, moisture. Means if anything absent, if moisture absent or water absent or air absent, it not possible to rust. Clear? And after that, extraction of the oxygen and the gases system, air is used for the industrial extraction of oxygen, nitrogen and argon. In the first step, dust particle, water vapor and carbon dioxide are removed from the air. And after that, the air is then liquefied, oxygen, nitrogen and argon are then separated by the fractional distillation. Clear? So by such process, by the use of such oxygen, such atmosphere, we easily get different type of gases like nitrogen, oxygen. Because you know how we separate nitrogen from the atmosphere? By the fractional distillation. How we get oxygen? Because you know student, in the hospital, patient need oxygen. Then how we get oxygen? By the air. How? By the fractional distillation. Okay, student. So these are the some point important of the atmosphere. So the next topic we discuss in the next video. Thank you.